Imagine you're hosting a massive dinner party. You've invited all your friends, their plus ones, your neighbors, your boss, and even that friend of a friend you've never met but somehow ended up on the guest list. You know what you want to serve: your famous lasagna, a couple of fancy salads, and a dessert that will leave everyone talking. But wait, you don't have the ingredients. You need to figure out where to get them, how much you need, the best prices, and how to ensure everything arrives on time and in good condition. Welcome to the world of procurement. While it might not be as glamorous as planning a dinner party, procurement is the backbone of every organization's operations, ensuring that everything is in place for the party or business to go off without a hitch. So what exactly is procurement? Essentially, procurement is the process of acquiring goods, services, or works from an external source, typically through a tendering or competitive bidding process. But it's not just about buying stuff. Oh no, procurement is a lot more sophisticated than that. It's about acquiring the right stuff at the right time for the right price, from the right place, and in the right quality and quantity. Think of it as a finely tuned orchestra, where everything must work in harmony to produce a beautiful symphony. Moreover, procurement is not just a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process involving planning, research, negotiation, and sometimes even a little bit of detective work. This means keeping a keen eye on market trends, understanding the needs of the organization, and making decisions that can affect everything from the bottom line to the company's reputation. Now, you might be wondering, why is procurement so important? Can't organizations just wing it and buy whatever they need whenever they need it? Well, they could, but that would be like trying to build a house with no blueprints, no tools, and no idea of how much it will all cost. It's not going to end well. For one thing, procurement is crucial for cost management. Every dollar saved through effective procurement is a dollar that goes straight to the company's profit. But it's not just about penny pinching. Effective procurement ensures that an organization gets value for its money. This means balancing cost, quality, and efficiency. No one wants to end up with shoddy materials that fall apart or services that don't deliver, even if they come at a bargain price. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Furthermore, procurement plays a vital role in risk management. By carefully selecting suppliers and establishing strong relationships, organizations can mitigate risks related to supply chain disruptions, price fluctuations, and compliance with laws and regulations. In a world where a single delay or defect can ripple through the entire operation, procurement professionals are the unsung heroes, making sure the gears keep turning smoothly. All right, so we know procurement is important, but what exactly are its goals? What are procurement professionals trying to achieve besides keeping the office stocked with coffee and paper clips? Firstly, one of the primary goals of procurement is to ensure the timely availability of goods and services. Imagine running a car manufacturing plant and running out of steel or tires because someone forgot to place an order. That's a recipe for disaster. Therefore, procurement ensures that everything the organization needs is available when it's needed, preventing delays and keeping operations on track. Secondly, procurement aims to achieve the best value for money. This doesn't mean always going for the cheapest option, but rather finding the optimal balance between cost, quality, and service. It's like shopping for a new phone. You wouldn't just buy the cheapest model available. You'd consider the features, durability, and after-sales service before making a decision. Procurement works in much the same way, but on a larger, more complex scale. Moreover, maintaining strong supplier relationships is another key goal of procurement. Good relationships with suppliers can lead to better terms, priority service, and even innovations that give the organization a competitive edge. Imagine having a supplier who knows your needs so well that they can anticipate them before you do. That's the power of a strong partnership. Additionally, procurement aims to ensure compliance with regulations and ethical standards. In today's world, it's not enough just to buy the right goods at the right price. Organizations must also ensure that their suppliers operate ethically and in accordance with laws and regulations. This includes everything from labor practices to environmental impact. After all, nobody wants their company to make headlines for all the wrong reasons. Finally, Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important goal in procurement. As organizations look to reduce their environmental footprint, procurement plays a critical role in sourcing sustainable materials and working with suppliers who prioritize eco-friendly practices. This not only helps the planet, but also enhances the organization's reputation and can even result in cost savings in the long run. Let's dive a little deeper into the procurement process itself. It's not just a simple click and buy operation. Oh no, there are several steps involved, each with its own importance and intricacies. 1. Identifying needs. It all starts with identifying what the organization needs. This could be anything from raw materials to new software. Understanding these needs is crucial because it forms the basis of the entire procurement process. 2. Market research. Once the needs are identified, the next step is to conduct market research. This involves understanding the available options, pricing, and potential suppliers. Think of it like window shopping, but with a lot more spreadsheets and contracts. 3. Supplier selection. After researching, it's time to select suppliers, but this isn't just about picking the cheapest option. Organizations consider factors such as supplier reliability, quality, and even their track record for ethical practices. 4. Negotiation. With a supplier in mind, the next step is negotiation. This is where procurement professionals put on their poker faces to hammer out the best possible terms. It's not just about price, it's about delivery schedules, payment terms, and warranties. 5. Purchase order. Once everything is agreed upon, a purchase order is issued. This is the official document that outlines what has been ordered, the agreed price, and the delivery details. 6. Delivery and inspection. After the goods or services are delivered, they are inspected to ensure they meet the required standards. Nobody wants to open a box expecting gold and finding lead. 7. Payment. If everything checks out, the supplier is paid, but the procurement team doesn't just write a check and move on. They also ensure that all terms of the contract have been met before releasing payment. 8. Record keeping. Finally, all procurement activities are meticulously documented. This helps in audits, performance evaluations, and future procurement activities. Procurement is not static. It evolves with time and technology. Gone are the days when procurement was seen as a purely administrative function. Today, it's a strategic role that contributes directly to the overall success of the organization. With advancements in technology, procurement is becoming more efficient and data-driven. Tools like AI and big data analytics are helping organizations predict market trends, optimize supply chains, and make more informed decisions. Moreover, as global supply chains become more complex, the role of procurement in managing these networks is more critical than ever. Procurement professionals must navigate a maze of regulations, tariffs, and geopolitical issues, all while ensuring that the organization's needs are met. In summary, procurement is much more than just buying goods and services. It's a complex strategic function that plays a vital role in the success of any organization. From cost management to risk mitigation, procurement ensures that organizations have the resources they need to operate efficiently and effectively. And while it might not have the glamour of sales or the creativity of marketing, procurement is the steady hand that keeps the business running smoothly. So, the next time you see someone from the procurement team, give them a nod of appreciation. They're the ones making sure the wheels keep turning behind the scenes.